In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Visio for organization charts. Whether you're organizing your team or planning a project, Microsoft Visio makes it easy to visualize your structure effectively. Let's dive in and start creating your own organization chart. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Visio. Once you've found the official Microsoft Visio website, you'll land on their homepage. Here, you will need to click on Sign In to get started. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in. If not, enter your email address and password and follow any prompts to fill in additional information to successfully log in. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage, where you'll need to click on Apps. This option acts as a gateway to all the applications provided within Microsoft 365. As you scan through the list, look specifically for Visio and click on it to launch the program. With Visio open, you'll want to find the option labeled All Templates. Clicking here will present a variety of templates you can work from. For our purposes today, select Organization Chart and proceed by clicking on Create Blank. This option will give you a fresh canvas to start constructing your chart from scratch. Now, the creative process begins. On the right-hand side, you'll find a stencil. Drag shapes from this stencil directly onto the drawing canvas. Each shape you drag represents a different position or individual within your organization. This step is crucial as it forms the foundation of your chart. Once you have a few shapes on your canvas, you can start adding details. Do this by double-clicking on any shape to input names, titles, and any other pertinent information for those roles. This not only adds clarity to your chart, but also personalizes it to match your organizational needs. Creating a clear hierarchy is essential for any organization chart. As you hover over a shape, you'll notice connectors appear. Use these connectors to illustrate reporting lines and establish the organizational hierarchy. Simply drag the connectors from one shape to another to represent who reports to whom. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an organized and visually appealing chart in Microsoft Visio. Remember, Visio's tools allow you to modify your chart at any point, whether adding new roles, adjusting connections, or reorganizing the structure to best fit your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you now feel more confident using Microsoft Visio to bring clarity to your organizational structure. Thank you for watching, and happy charting.